Click on the image. At the top, go to Edit. Scroll down until you see Apps. Click on Vectorify. Now I can choose to have the full color or black and white when I convert this into a vector. If I choose black and white, I can adjust the threshold for it. Once I'm done, click Convert to Vector. At the top, I can simplify the vector if I want. And I can also choose which colors I want for the vector to be in. Once I'm done, click Save. And now if I want to download this as a vector, I can go to the top right, click Share, Download, save it as an SVG, and download. So if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down in the comment section below. If you enjoy my videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.